So in this class, we'll discuss probably once you open the PowerPoint presentation, what you can work on this. So probably in the left side, if you see, you have this icon like home, new, open, account, feedback, options. Okay, so we'll talk about them. So what are these basically all about? So generally, like if I press Window R and write Power PNT, or if I do right click on my desktop and there if I search for PowerPoint presentation, click there, or in search option if I write PowerPoint, I'll get the app. If I do double click, I'll get this screen. This is a starting screen to navigate inside the PowerPoint presentation, while this home is basically made of two icons, either new or open. So probably in home, you can see first option like blank presentation. Okay, where if you do double click on this, altogether you will get a new presentation with the name called presentation one, which name probably you can again save it, working on some location. Then you have lot of themes or template. Okay, you can go through these themes or template. So this basically constitute new. Okay, you can click on more themes and then you can look for certain theme which can suit your objectivity. Then in down you can see the recent workbook or the presentation on which we have worked on. So there you can see something called recent, pinned, share with me. So that all the recent presentation you can see. If you feel that some presentation is very important to you, and it doesn't matter after how many days I open, I want that presentation to visible. Maybe that presentation I need it every frequent amount of time, so I can pin them. Just go and click here, pin this item to the list, and the work will be done. Okay, so then if you click on new have the same thing what you saw, where you have the blank presentation plus lot of themes of presentation. Okay, you can even go to online theme, search for online themes, okay, related to office or related to personal. Okay, then you have open. If you click on open, you can see again the recent presentation what you have worked on. Okay, so there either you can see the presentation, you can even see the folders also. So recently on what folders you have worked. Okay, you can recover some unsaved presentation here. Then you can see in recent, you can see the OneDrive options, where basically your presentations were saved. You can, if you can access them from OneDrive, or you can browse them from some location, maybe desktop or document, or maybe from download, you can do that work. Below then you have accounts. In accounts is just the basic information about your Microsoft account, with the option that where you can change your office background, office theme. You can do this, you can change it, you can or play with this. The same option you get when you individually open PowerPoint presentation or Word or Excel. Then in feedback, you can go and give feedback to the Microsoft about anything what you like or don't like about this product called PowerPoint presentation. Then in option, when you go inside option, altogether you have a different environment get open, where you have something called general. If you get inside general, you can probably see this is being ticked called mini toolbar. So what is mini toolbar? Whenever you are working on presentation on the data, once you have written something or something is already written, you want to format that. Either you want to do formatting related to the content, or you related to the font size or font style, or underline bold, or you want to work on line spacing. You can do a lot with the mini toolbar. So this is being enabled. If you unenable this, then probably you will not get option of mini toolbar. Then you can see this username, then office background, the which you have already through account. I can change it. The same thing is visible. Office theme, the same thing. Okay, then you can go inside proofing. In proofing, if you see in proofing, you can understand this proofing again was very important when it comes to PowerPoint presentation, when it comes to MS Word. So if you go inside proofing, you can understand that probably when you are writing something a certain time, you write something, and probably even then you have written something mistakenly. Okay, the PowerPoint presentation by default will correct it. So those instructions are given to the PowerPoint. Like you can see certain words, this means copyright, trademark, certain word like about. Many people write about as ABBOUT by mistake. So it will saying that if you somebody write like this way, considered as ABOU2. So by default, PowerPoint presentation will change it without you get to know that you have done some mistake. Okay, the lot of words are being saved here. So if you want, you can even save some word like if I replace this, if I write replace USA with United State of America, United States of America. If you do this, so next time whenever you write USA, you press space, automatically United States of America will come. You can add it, later on you can remove it also. Okay, just I'm giving you an option. You can play with that again. So if you I just request you, you just go through this autocorrect option, just see that how PowerPoint presentation autocorrect the content whatever you're writing here. So you can just go through this save, like auto save option is there. After every 10 minutes, whatever files you're saving, it will save in PowerPoint presentation with the extension called .pptx. Okay, you can change it to macro enabled .ppttm, or you can change it to 97 2003 .ppt. All that you can change it here. If you change it, then next time whenever you're saving your workbook, it will save with that type. Okay, language. Okay, so these all are self-explanatory. Advanced, you go through that, understand. Customized ribbon is all about the ribbons. Like when we work on PowerPoint presentation, okay, if you click on blank workbook or blank presentation, you'll see tabs, ribbons. So what all tabs will be visible? These are all the other tabs which are visible. Normally, you will not find developer tab to visible. So you can tick the developer tab if you do, if you want to work on macros. Okay, so these are the tabs names which would be visible. So you can just see them. Then you can go to quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is there generally at the top left side. Whenever you see the PowerPoint presentation, there by default save, undo, redo options will be there. You can add more commands, more ribbons by simply clicking and adding them. If you want to remove some command, you can click there, this side, like I want to remove redo, click there and click on remove. You can do that work. Okay, add-ins, if you need some extra add-ins, many add-ins are free. Maybe for writing mathematical equation, you need some add-in, you can just, you can click on go, and then you can see what all add-ins you can add. So that is, you can spend some time to understand that part. Okay, apart from add-ins, then your trust center, this is not very important for you to understand. So generally, guys, when you are working on PowerPoint presentation, if you just open the PowerPoint presentation, okay, you can see at the top left side, you can see these icons like left, like save, undo, redo, okay, slideshow. So these all forms the part of quick access toolbar. Now you can see these are tab: home, insert, design, transition, animation, records, review, view. These are the tabs. I have unticked that developer tab. Okay, if you want to tick it back, you can go to options. Okay, you can go to customize ribbon and tick on developer tab in case if you need it. So you just need to click on the developer tab. If you click on the developer tab, the tab will get visible here. So this is a basic understanding about the environment, what you will see whenever you are working on PowerPoint presentation. Thank you. Bye.